Hey, bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, the virtual dance studio. Now today we're going to be getting into another one of our exercises here. Just like last time, we're going to have a slow variation and a faster variation, as well as a couple different variations of the slow and of the fast. So this combination is going to be using our dégagé, our coupe, and our plié. You can do it in first, third, or fifth. If you have experience going through par le second, you can go through third or fifth. And if you don't know what that means, then go ahead and go through first. I'm going to go through fifth here. We're going to start off in plié, and from this plié we're going to take it up through dégagé, fold into coupe, back out to dégagé, and then close to plié. Again here, dégagé, plié to close that out. So double dégagé at the end there. We'll take that entire thing en croix for variation A, à la seconde, derrière, à la seconde, and then switch to the other side, starting in derrière here. And then after take that, à la seconde, avant, à la seconde, and close, we'll take a plié and close it out.